All right, I've been here before. I've tried to vibe code a meal planning app a few videos back, and it didn't go that well. It wasn't the vibe coding itself, it was just everything all together. Authentication, database, deployments, Stripe integration. Recently, Replit reached out and challenged me to try again using their tool, so I gave it a shot. Within one prompt, I had an app about done. The second prompt was just for the subscription part, which I forgot in the first prompt. Two prompts, and I have the meal planning app you're seeing on the screen. I'm going to use their mobile app to make one file update so you can see how you can build things while you're on the road. This is sponsored, but if it didn't work, I wouldn't have taken the sponsor because I couldn't build anything, but it worked. So I'm going to show you in a moment. All right, once you sign into Replit, you'll have an area like this. And the prompt area is what we're going to focus on now. This is where you put the prompt. You can optimize it as much as you want, but here's what I've got. And it talks about the app. Now I click start and it kicks off. This is what really impressed me. When I press start, it just kicks in. It removes all the busyness and just lets the vibe coding happen, allowing me to just kick back and wait. In a moment, we're about to log in. All right, it's ready. We can tweak the UI later, but for now, I'm just going to sign in. It warns me not to test here. So we're going to open up an incognito or private window and test in there. I'm going to do the free trial, and I'm not going to use a social login yet. I just want to see it work with a username and password, and then create your account. They verify their account through an email, and then they click the link and they come back here and they log in. The person is signed up. Now, what's their experience inside the application? Let's go look. We see the dashboard. It reminds you you're in preview mode. We'll do the upgrade to subscription later. I want to focus on the UI for a moment. We got dark mode there, but I'll stay in light mode for right now. And we're going to try it out. I'm going to choose a few dietary goals, set a few settings, and just save my preferences. And what is nice here is it actually is saving to the database. Refresh still there. That's a big deal. And now let's hit the generate and see what happens. All right, we had an error. I went back. I said, hey, we had an error here with generate, 500 error, go fix it. And it did. Now I'm back here. I'm going to hit it again. And let's see what happens here. All right, we have a meal plan for a whole week for 2 people. That's pretty cool. Shows all the meals for the week, 3 meals a day. Just remember how much work this used to take to build something like this. I can even go to the shopping section and check off all the ingredients I need. All right, and there's dark mode, a lot easier in the eyes, but there you go. Now let's go into Stripe, and then we're gonna go make this thing live so I can start selling subscriptions or using it myself. I'm gonna click the upgrade. We're in trial mode, and in a moment I get an error. Okay, now I'm just gonna take that error message and I'm gonna put it into the prompt in Replit and see if it can fix it for me. All right, saying it needs to create a Stripe product and price, then update the code. I've already logged into Stripe in this browser, but this is actually using the sandbox that comes with Replit, so I didn't have to really think about it, honestly. Now, while I was waiting, I clicked here and I was blown away. It's doing its own QA visually. You can see it clicking around on its own screen, testing things. This is amazing. All right, it's ready. And I'm gonna go back to the login and refresh the screen. I'll click upgrade again, and now we're in test mode in Stripe. So I'll add the Stripe test numbers you see here with all the 4222. That's it. All right, we're gonna start the process of going live. We click the big blue button up there and it walks us through it. It gives me a temporary domain name. I'll use that for now, but I could just make my own right there. Next, I'm gonna connect my Stripe account. If you don't have a Stripe account, it will walk you through it. It just redirects me to my Stripe account. And in the same browser, I can create a new sub account or use the one I'm already using. All right, at the Stripe dashboard, I'm just ready. I come back to the Replit dashboard. And the next step, we have to go get our Stripe keys. There's plenty of docs here and links, so take a moment to read and get our secret key. And our public key is already there. And then we just click that button right under that. Now at this point, we wait. We can watch it build, as you can see on the steps above. And it will take a moment, a couple minutes. It will keep you updated as it goes. And that's it. Our site is live. All right, we go to the URL and we're at our own site now. We're going to start the free trial, switch to dark mode, and we'll log in with a new email and password. And we create the account, and that's it. We're in. I click upgrade, I go to the Stripe page, and I start signing up. I enter the info, submit my card, and go. Stripe redirects us back to the website, and we're back at the dashboard. We're now subscribed. We can set up our meal plan, we can manage our subscription, we can cancel if needed, as you can see here. And back at the dashboard, we set up our meal plan, set up our preferences. Everything's ready to go like we saw before. If we hit generate and wait a moment, our meals are generated. So we see AI is working because this isn't just dummy code or dummy text. And we get our shopping list. That's it. I'm going to go now test this in a mobile device, and I'll show you that on my computer. And then we'll go make an update on my phone to show how you can continue to add features to your site from your computer or your phone. All right, let's see how this looks on mobile. I'll start up a mobile simulator on my Mac. I've already signed in. Now we see the profile page where I can go manage the billing. Stripe is working. I go back to the home page and yeah, it looks good. We can see the meals for the week. We can see our shopping list. And it even broke down the products by type when you're shopping by aisle. It worked out really nice on mobile. Of course, we could make this a mobile native app, a real native app, as you saw in the options earlier. But that's it. This app is released and it's going to work on mobile and on the desktop. I'm going to show one more section where I just show how I can edit the application on my phone. Let's check that one out. All right, this is really the coolest part of all. And it's me using the Replit app on my phone to add a feature. Now, I could have built the entire thing using this app, but I'm just going to add a feature here. This is just an idea I had that if I see some food on sale or I find some things in the fridge that I want to use up, I could just take a photo and generate a recipe. So I'm just going to prompt that with my voice and click submit. Now, I don't need to wait here while it does its build. I'm just going to close the app and I will get notified. As you can see, it shows up on my home screen or my lock screen, and I'll get notified when this is done. And then we can go preview it. All right, I got the notice saying it was done. I log in and I click that preview button and we're at the screen. So you'll see here we have this feature where I can take a photo. We're going to just click on that and take a photo of 2 ingredients here. Maybe I saw them on sale or maybe they're all that's left in the fridge. And then I just have it do its thing and it will then generate a recipe from this. But that's it. On the road building new features in my application and deploying them. That is pretty cool. All right, that's one app down, and while I was driving to the store today, I made a second app, which I'll show you on the screen right now. This is pretty cool as someone who has way too many app ideas to finally be able to just put them into a mobile app and watch them get built. And again, if you've tried vibe coding, got overwhelmed, try again. Replit really does bring together the tough pieces so you can just vibe code and not worry about those other details and just get the app out and feel good about it. All right, they are a sponsor, of course, but again, I wouldn't use a sponsor if the product didn't work. So please give it a try. Use the link below and give me any comments or anything as you go. If you need help, just ask below. If you have other ideas, just let me know. And again, thanks for watching. Good luck with what you're building out there. Thank you.